how you can install apps without having to use your Apple ID. Now let's start. First, just go to your settings, and after you're on your settings, scroll down till you find screen time. Now make sure that you turn screen time on if it's not on, and after you turn it on, you will see the restrictions section where you will be able to go to content and privacy restrictions. Now go there and turn it on if it's not turned on, and after that go to iTunes and App Store purchases. Now right there under the require password section, you will see two options. One is to require password, the other is to don't require. Tap on don't require password, and that is basically it. Now before I show you what to do next, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's continue. Now what you'll have to do is scroll down till you find the Face ID and passcode option. Now type in your password right here, and after you do that, make sure that you turn this iTunes and App Store button off, and after you've done that, you're basically done. Now you don't have to use your password when you install new apps. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.